on, guys. Fucking shit out of him. He's got the pistol. Oh, but yeah. Retrieval force.
Oh. Tuscan Raider. I need Tuscan Raiders. They'll be back and in greater numbers. Yeah, sure. Do you want me to hold it? Fucking run straight.
I've got the ball, I've got the ball. Right.
Just peg it. Yep. Follow it. Is that the flag right there? Well, I'm going to peg it to the flag.
Excuse me, sir, do you have any memes? No!
Shit. Oh dear, that doesn't look good.
He's bored again.
It wasn't me.
I'm just making sure everybody. Wait.
I don't have to sync the audio this time.
Okay.
I got a little microphone.
Okay. Just don't care.
Don't care.
I like my memes
You know,
on top like a meme brulee.
Come on, Glock fade. Nice. 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 Just picked up that 4-piece chicken McNugget, man. This tree's OP. I love you, tree. This smoke, though, man. This is crazy. This is cool. Shit, bad guys. Oh, shit. What? It's a legit tactic. The last time I came, when we were attacking, I came round there and shot everyone here in the back. So we should stay aware of that could happen.
Oh, shoot. Yeah, fuck you, big boy.
We are sitting ducks here, dude.
Oh, I don't care. You get anyway.
Embassy, please.
Shit, they're shooting from that side.
One ricocheted off the barrel.
Shit.
Oh, here.
Okay, embassy, sorry, hotel even. Hotel.
They're coming around this side. We're not hitting them. Okay. Oh, hit. I think that was ricochet. You're alright? I don't know if it was ricochet, I'm just going to call it.
Yeah.
Ow! God damn it. He always... Oh my god. That guy is hardcore. Shout. Sweet. Ryan, the hit. The hit. Ryan. Wait. The fuck? I just killed all 3 of those guys. Who shot you?
Yeah, you shot me.
Who?
One of them.
I just shot all three of them. Oh fucking. I just took out 3 guys. And then one of them killed you when they were dead. Oh shit. This is not good. Hit! Got me. Dead man coming through. Wait, shoot at him, give me cover, shoot at him.
Where is it?
Just shoot at those trees, on the right hand side on those trees. Just shoot. Ryan, shoot at him! Fucking hell. James, go. Go. Good fight, man. Oh shit. Sorry, man. That was awesome.
Oh, mate.
That was great.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, no. James, this is your first game of Airsoft. Yeah. Hey, fucking hell. Took a while. Got him though. Feeling good today. Like, usually when I come out at Airsoft around this time, I'm like, shit, I need to sit down. Everything's going wrong. But you know, I've had some diet and exercise and I'm doing alright. So, fucking, is that... You can't see what colour he is at all. Are you red? Here, have you even got an armband on? That's fucking... Fucking hell, man. You can't even see his armband.
Yeah.
Are you alive? Yeah. Can you respawn me, please?
Red.
Huh?
Just a red.
Yeah, the ghillie was a red. Hey. There's lots of trees. That's not really very specific. Alright, I got another one.
That was me.
That was not you.
Definitely
Watch
me.
that back when this goes out. That was not you.
That was definitely me. I shot
You
like 3 times.
he called hit before you even shot him. Fuck. Oh. He fucking, that dead guy just told him where I was. Bastard.
Listen, guys, we get going.
I actually got 2 of them. Oh, I got 3 of them. Mate. I fucking did it. No, I got the guys that were directly in front. There's a couple that way though. getting ricocheted to fuck.
Right around that corner.
Oi, Professor Mimo, this is Synepix, Professor Mimo. So I'll call you if I need you.
Right, hang on.
Go on. Oh shit.
Whatever. Right, someone going to take this grenade and throw it for me, yeah? Because I'll have to light 2 off of 1.
Alright.
Quick, quick! Grenade!
I hit that tree.
Whoa!
It's too many trees.
Grenade! Grenade!
No kill! No kill!
They're trying to
Ryan,
kill us.
I'm left-handed shooter, so I can peek this corner better. So if you peek that one, I'm pretty sure this guy is right on there. So.
Unlucky!
Thanks for being my bait. I know they're there now. Oh, fucking hell. This is scary.
Kill! That was it.
Hey, I got him. Is my gun dry firing?
You got a view down there, yeah?
Yeah. They know I'm at the tree now.
Yeah, I know, they just said I heard.
Yeah. I'm actually getting it's pretty good.
Come on, blue team! No, you long enough now,
Good job.
Yeah.
Oh, I got him.
It's fireworks! I made that noise, you mentioned.
Ah, fuck! If you're wondering what this crap is all over my gun, it's supposed to be a camera setup so I can get that cool selfie shot Airsoft YouTuber camera angle like everyone else uses on YouTube. But unfortunately, all the footage from today got corrupt, so that kind of sucks. It's all good, we'll just get it next time.
Oh yeah, dude.
Oh, this shot's going like way through there.
He's going all the way around. There's two of them. There's a fucking another one going over there.
Yeah. Where are you, boyo? Where are you? Is that you I see running? I think I'm on your 6. Look to your left. Got him. Okay. Hit.
Oh, hello, darling.
Left side.
Guys, you're getting stuck.
Oh my god.
They're all in that tree there. All right there. Right there, right there. They're all in there.
There's fucking loads of them here.
Left, left. You guys all up just running straight in?
I'm going to run straight to that fallen tree, so...
I'm kind of tempted to just run straight in.
Yeah, let's do it.
Try and go straight for the bridge.
See if I can get it.
Okay.
I'll pick it up afterwards.
C4. Hey!
Stop too close.
Guys, back here! Move forward!
Come on!